A decent cross as well, could fall for anyone, comes out to the edge of the box, real chance this, keeper comes, and I think we've seen a penalty inside the first couple of minutes. Extraordinary scenes here. Bengaluru all over the show defensively. The keeper came, wasn't sure, and Gurpreet has conceded a penalty inside the first. Oh, he's almost saved it, he got a hand to it, Gurpreet, but couldn't stop it going in. And Istiklol lead 1-0 inside the first 4 minutes. Bengaluru goalkeeper Gurpreet guilty of a moment of madness, but they're coming forward, look at the equaliser! And they get it, game back on in southern India. Bengaluru level it up, just halfway past the halfway mark in the first half. 1-on-1, 2-on-2, the blue shirts frantically getting back, driving forward, it's Barkov. And there's definitely an argument there that Bengaluru conceded a foul for the team. Oh my word, Cabra's already been booked. We said it might come back to haunt them. We said we'd be surprised if there wasn't a red card. What I didn't know is that it would come before half time. And what is Cabra thinking there, already on a yellow? Oh, that's a good ball as the flag stayed down. It has, it's going to be game, set and match. Bengaluru are going to be bounced out of the AFC Cup. They've not recovered from being reduced to 10 men. And Istiklol get their second goal of the night. If you're a Istiklol fan, well, if you're an Istiklol fan there, they want a penalty and they're going to get one. Oh my word, what more can this game give? Bengaluru needing 3 more to progress. Now they're going to get a chance from the spot to get one of them. Shoulder charging Daniel out the way. But not this time, and Bengaluru are level at 2 each. And the game is back on, the crowd are back in it. Because when this goal kick goes up in the air, our referee is not even going to wait for that, he's going to blow for full time. And JSW Bengaluru are out after a simply scintillating 90 minutes of football. The crowd don't like it, but the referee for me had a decent game.